Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of convenient and healthy cooking with the Oster 6-quart digital air fryer. A sleek, modern appliance that combines style and functionality with its matte black exterior, chrome accents, and easy-to-clean digital screen. This large air fryer is equipped with 10 preset digital functions, allowing you to effortlessly bake, dehydrate, or cook your favorite meals like chicken wings, fish, and even desserts with up to 99.5% less oil than traditional deep fryers. The removable viewing window and interior cooking chamber light offer enhanced visibility, so you can monitor your cooking progress without any hassle and easily clean up afterward. Its durable non-stick surface ensures that your food won't stick, and the scratch-resistant finish won't flake or peel, maintaining the air fryer's pristine look over time. With a 60-minute timer and an audible, ready, alert, you'll always know when your meal is perfectly cooked. Whether you're reheating leftovers, preparing a whole chicken, or making crispy French fries, this air fryer is designed to make your cooking experience both enjoyable and efficient. So, if you're looking to elevate your kitchen game with a versatile and health-conscious appliance, the Oster air fryer might just be your new best friend. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.